Hello, in this set of videos we'll preview the contents of the CXC syllabus as, as it relates to geometry, so that you know that you are dealing with the relevant topics coming in the CXC syllabus and that are related to your school curriculum. You can jumpstart your learning using our video-based lessons. Now, with Click and Learn, you can learn 10 times faster. Yes, you can cover more work in less time. A classroom session takes about 35 or 40 minutes, whereas our videos is about 4 to 5 minutes long, and in some instances 10 minutes. But it covers in depth each particular topic within the syllabus. To get more information, you can call us at 647-1901 or send us an email, and we'll be happy to respond to you and discuss your needs and what you read. Now, to show you that what we're covering is directly relevant to the CXC syllabus and the school curriculum, here's a clip from the CXC syllabus, and it tells you what are the items covered on the CXC math geometry. On completion of this section, students should appreciate the notion of space. Let me use my highlighter. Should appreciate the notion of space as a set of points with subsets that set space having properties related to other mathematical systems. So, notion of space. Let me use a different color. Notion of space. Students should understand, focus on the keywords, understand the properties and relation among geometrical objects, understand the properties of transformations, those are keywords, demonstrate the ability to use geometrical concepts to model and solve real-world problems, appreciate the power of trigonometrical methods in solving authentic problems. So those are the key terms. And you'll be tested key ideas. The CXC examiners will be testing your knowledge, understanding, and skills of these key concepts and principles. And with our videos, you'll be able to quickly review, revise, and reinforce those concepts in preparation for your important exam. Now, to show you that we have taken that information directly from the CXC syllabus, you can see Section 8, Geometry and Trigonometry. As I scroll down, you can see the main points there. Remember, you can pause the video at any time and read for yourself. Here are the specific objectives. You as a student should be able to explain concepts relating to geometry. Draw and measure angles and line segments accurately using appropriate instruments. Construct lines, angles, and polygons using appropriate instruments. And the details are over here on the right hand side. Identify the types of geometry possessed by a given plane figure. And we continue here. Students should be able to solve geometric problems using properties of lines, angles, and polygons. Remember, you can pause the video at any time and focus on the contents. I'm skimming through. The basic category: solve geometric problems using properties of circles and circle theorems. Geometry and trigonometry continues. Specific objectives: students should be able to the exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to the interior opposite angle. Represent translations in a plane using vectors. Determine and represent the location of the image of an object on the transformation. Well, you learn all of those through our videos that show you step by step how to do these things. Describe a transformation given an object and its image. So you see, trigonometry, geometry, and trigonometry covers a lot of topics. Use Pythagoras' theorem to solve problems. Define the trigonometric ratios of acute angles in a right angle, and so on. so we'll stop there. So that's a quick overview of the syllabus. Remember, you have control over the video. You can pause it and read the stuff. And we have created videos that explain these concepts and principles and worked examples so that you are well prepared for your exam. Enjoy. In the next video, we'll go into some more details on actual demonstrating and illustrating the concepts and principles.